Hello everybody! Today I want to show you one feature of Acumatica, which is absolutely not new, but I just saw that it is worthy of attention. So imagine that you have a situation that your warehouse employee, he needs to pack this one Acer laptop. What often happens? People tend to take smallest item into biggest possible box. But in Acumatica, you can, if you enter dimensions and weight of your product correctly, then you will be able to see that for this laptop, and your warehouse employee will see that for this one laptop, he needs one medium box. That's one way. But let's say your employee is fine and your warehouse employee is fine and he remembers that for this one I need one medium box. But let's say he needs to pack 50 laptops, like this. I click on save, and now I have a question. Will your warehouse employee will be able to get updated information on boxes? And when we click on shop for rates, here you can see that yes, Acumatica was able to understand, and Acumatica suggests best way to pack your box, and instead of having one medium box, it suggests to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 large boxes and one medium box in order to sustain this specific order. This is, in my opinion, a practical feature. Features like this are often overlooked in Acumatica. If you want to make sure your system is configured properly and your team is getting the most out of it, our AcuPower team can help. You can book a consultation using the link in the description.